Welcome to this guided registration to the Army Doctrine Development Tool, or ADDT. Registration is simple and the ADDT administrator is available to assist you with any issue. Eligibility requires government email associated with a Common Access Card or CAC. Currently, those without government email and CAC will be unable to register. ADDT is accessible via commercial internet with a CAC reader. However, registration will be much simpler using a computer on the Army's network. To begin your registration, open and use the Microsoft Edge browser. ADDT can be used on Chrome and Firefox as well, but as most government systems are Microsoft-based, it is recommended for registration. In this example, we are using Microsoft Edge on the AVD. Logging in requires the selection of CAC certification authentication via Enterprise Access Management Service Army, or EAMS-A. In the address bar, enter website https://addt.army.mil to begin accessing the Army Azure Cloud. Before proceeding to the ADDT site, you'll be prompted to agree to caveats entering a U.S. government information system. As a new user, ADDT will identify your requirement to register a new account which is not associated with your CAC. The new user registration form requires rank or equivalent grade and offers an option for Other. Users will enter standard nameline information into the identified fields. ADDT currently only recognizes Government Department of Defense email addresses or .mil. Add a contact phone number to allow Doctrine Community and ADDT support to speak to you. Recommend the use of dedicated business line, either your office or government furnished equipment, for example the team's phone number. For your organization, you can search the drop-down menu or begin typing your organization to expedite the search. ADDT does not list all the organizations in the DoD nor agencies in the federal government. However, you can identify your major command and free text your unit, agency, or office. Grades E5 and below, O2 and below, and contractors are required to provide supervisor information to notify them you are registering into ADDT and potentially commenting on Army Draft Doctrine. Provide the rank, standard name line, official government email, and office or team's phone number. After completing the fields, click Create New Account. However, please keep in mind a verification email will be sent to your submitted email address. Ensure the information is correct and current. ADDT will display your registration is complete and submitted. Closing will return the user to the DoD notice and consent for ADDT. New users will receive an email from the usarmy.leavenworth.cac.mbx.addt@army.mil email address for ADDT user verification. A code of 32 characters is your verification. Highlight and copy the code. Accept the ADDT notice and consent, which moves the user to the ADDT user verification window, prompting the user to enter the verification code. Users can paste the code into the field and click Submit Verification Code. ADDT will post colored pop-ups to provide statuses at the top left of the application window. Users will enter the ADDT dashboard, and the new user orientation window will pop up and list the links to guides and additional training aids for the use of ADDT. These tools reside on the U.S. Army's unclassified network and are unavailable to users accessing via commercial networks. If you have any questions or issues registering for ADDT, please reach out to the help desk for assistance at the phone number and email below. ADDT Help Desk is available during normal operational hours, Monday through Friday, 8 to 4 Central Standard Time. I appreciate your time and patience. Thank you.